Good morning, guys. I hope you had a really good weekend after a nice short week last week. I'm sure you're all nice and rested. Well done for those kids who are looking good this week. And you are as follows: David Ashcroft, Derek Kaladizo, Kirani Mudley, and Rebecca Cook. Right, well done. Keep up the good work. I am very, very proud of you. Your teachers have been telling me that you're working really hard, doing very, very well in this virtual learning. And I visited some classes last week. It was really nice to see some of your faces. And I just want you to keep up the hard work. You've got exams in a few weeks' time, and I know you're going to really do well. Wasn't it nice to see the Friday where we had the lockdown coming down to stage 4, where we could do some exercise? It was nice to be in and around the streets, walking and doing some exercise. Lots of people with their dogs, and what we were blessed with some really, really nice weather. What we've done is to celebrate Earth Day, some of the grade 10s and one of the high school teachers have got together to put a little video together about Earth Day and how important our Earth is to us. So let's watch that now.
Now don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone?
What even is Earth Day? What even is Earth Day?
Every year, the United States and over 100 different countries throughout the world join together in celebration of Earth Day on April 22nd, a worldwide commemoration of the environment and a day to promise to protect it. Earth Day marks the anniversary of the day where 20 million Americans demonstrated for a healthy and sustainable environment. Coast-to-coast rallies were organized, and groups that had been protesting toxic dumps, pesticides, the loss of wilderness, the extinction of wildlife, oil spills, and other ecological issues finally realized they were all trying to fight the same battle. The unique aspect of Earth Day 1970 was that it brought together Republicans and Democrats, rich and poor, and people with seemingly different beliefs and backgrounds. In short, Earth Day 1970 began the environmental awareness campaign that continues today. The day led to the creation of the United States Environmental Protection Agency. For Earth Day's 20th anniversary, a worldwide campaign was launched, mobilizing 200 million people in 141 countries. Environmental groups use Earth Day as an occasion to draw attention to current local and global environmental problems and to discuss common-sense solutions. A highlight of the annual Earth Day ceremony at the United Nations is the ringing of the peace bell that was given to the UN by Japan. The passage of the Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, and the Endangered Species Act are considered to be products of the 1970 Earth Day. So do your part for the Earth by reducing, reusing, and recycling.
Good day, Reddam House. This year for Earth Day, we want to focus on pollution. The world is riddled with many issues at the moment, but pollution is a major issue that is often overlooked or even forgotten. In 2018, National Geographic set out to make a difference with their Planet or Plastic campaign. Planet or Plastic takes a comprehensive approach to tackling major environmental crises, encompassing storytelling, consumer education and engagement, scientific research, and innovative partnerships. The advertising for this campaign, as seen on the left, really impacted me. For me, it was so clever. However simple it was, it highlighted a huge underlying issue that we were facing. For me, it brought the memory back of the Titanic. Again, were we going to react too late to do anything? Are we going to continue to make the same mistakes? Are we going to sink like the Titanic again? At the end of this video, you'll be presented with the opportunity to take part in this initiative by taking the Planet or Plastic pledge. Today, I challenge you to have a look at the pledge and to make a difference.
The world doesn't care enough about pollution. We think of pollution as an environmental issue. We do not think of pollution as a health issue.
It kills more people than war, than hunger, than malaria or AIDS or tuberculosis. All of these pale in comparison.
In 2015, pollution-related diseases accounted for 9.6 million deaths. 92% of that burden is in low and middle-income countries. That is big for us. It's big in terms of the distribution of the problem. To put it in plain speak, the distribution is unfair.
It's not been on the public radar because there's been a lack of understanding of just how endemic this problem is and how many people are impacted. It's been forgotten.
So, to speak, get quick to change your mind. And I know it's me that followed you in blind. I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my plans. Bring me back to life.
Let's never forget the impact that we have had. And now, here we have 9 tips for living with less plastic, presented by our Reddam students.
Plastic? No, I brought my own. Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Go pick up some food, and then I'll meet you there. Okay. You know what? I've got food right.
These plastics are made up of harmful chemicals, are difficult to recycle, and take hundreds of years to decompose. That's why, for my leftovers, I use a glass jar or any other reusable container.
Hey, do you know how you can use less plastic? Hi, do you know how you can save the world by using less plastic? Save the world! Use less plastic!
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Another way to give back would be to fill up an eco brick. So an eco brick is basically a 2 litre or 1 litre bottle that it's filled up with items that cannot be recycled. So things like your soft plastics, you know, the packaging that you get your medicine in, that sort of thing can go in here. Cut it up small and put it in, and make sure you start hard at the bottom and push everything down and into it, and then you'll see, you'll fit so much in there, honestly. Yeah, thanks.
Hey guys, please don't forget to collect your bottle caps and place them in a plastic bag, as well as making an eco brick. All you need is a stick and a 2 litre bottle, as well as the plastic that you have collected.
Dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately fuel disappointment. So have dreams, but have goals. Life goals, yearly goals, monthly goals, daily goals. And understand that to achieve these goals, you must apply discipline and consistency.
So Reddam House, I challenge you. Get involved, make a change, and take the planet or plastic pledge.
Don't just aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference.